There's nothing better than firing this baby up right after a workout because it gives you a full body massage. The legs, the arms, the back, everything gets a massage. And my favorite part is this part because it gives you a hug on your legs, stimulating the circulation on your legs. Then you get a back massage in all that central area. There's a pulsating and like percussion massage. And then on those sleeves, you put your hands in there. You see, you put your hands in there, and it hugs your hands. It's just the best feeling because it's really, really relaxing when you do this. Of course, you can play music with this, connect anything, and relaxing music preferably, and then you can get this whole awesome experience that you can control from this little board that I'm going to start like showing now. First, you can control in real time, but you also can set up your um your massage from this little display right here. It's really nice. So check that out. In the display, it gives you the uh, opportunity for you to set up the massage that you want. You can have for it to be on your back, your arms. You can set up the intensity. You can set up the speed. Some of these chairs have even like a warming setting. Um, I don't like it though. I prefer just to right after my workout sit down, get a really nice back, arm, and leg massage because it's just the whole body gets taken care of. I super recommend it. And if you have access to one of these, this is a luxury to pamper yourself that you're going to love and your body is going to love. Super recommended.